Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be installing the hammer bash plate for the Suzuki Jimny 2019 and newer. This is what you get in the pack: bash plate, manual, mounting brackets and bolts. Okay, here we are on the underside of the car. So, the front of the bash plate, we need to remove these 3 bolts. And the front will go underneath there and re-bolt up. And then if you see these here, we need to remove those and put our mounting bracket in there. Okay, so these are 13mm. Here's 13mm socket and a 10mm for these. So let's get to that. You don't have to take it out all the way. Just enough for it to go in. It will sit flush and we do it up from there. Okay, once they're nice and tight, this is how they look. Right, next we'll remove these bolts so we can slide the bash plate in. Okay, now with these removed, we can install the bash plate. So you're going to slide it through the gap. It's just hard to hold the camera at the same time. And once it's through, the holes will line up there. And you can put the existing bolts back through. Okay, we'll do that now. Okay guys, so once that's in, you want to do the 3 bolts up, here, here and here, and I'll be hanging down. And the next stage is we're going to take the bolts out of the kit, which will be used to hold it into the brackets that we put in earlier. Okay, out of your kit, you get your bolts, washers and nuts, and go through there. It's going to go through the plate, followed by a nut and washer. So we'll do that now. Alright, so once your bolts are in, this is how it should look. I'll save everything. There's your mounting brackets. And there we go, and the bash plate. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.